Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode at our channel. I'm Arjun.
I'm Krishna.
Today we're going to be doing another milk chemistry episode as usual. And today we're going to be playing with oxygen. Safety goggles first.
But Arjun, when we're going to use our safety gloves?
We'll see.
Yeah.
In every one of these milk chemistry sets that come to us every month, it always has gloves.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's two experiments. Okay, burning pure oxygen and blue bottle.
Okay, we got this blue glove and...
Hold on.
When...
Oh no! I think the milk chemistry team, they forgot we got a surprise. There's only gloves for Krishna.
What?
This is size S. My glove size is size like large. These are only small. How am I supposed to do this? So today we're going to be doing something called blue bottle. Change a solution's color with the shake of your hand. I wonder what that means. Oh, so it seems here that there's like a beaker with a funnel here. There's warm water, a yellow bottle. It says lactose, which is basically found in cheese, butter, and milk. And methyl blue, which is basically food coloring. CaOH2. That's calcium hydroxide, if I'm not wrong. Calcium hydroxide is also needed. So let's just see what's in the actual thing. We have one absorbent, okay, 2 bottles of lactose. Oops.
Oh.
Okay.
Calcium. What is this?
I will tell you later. Calcium hydroxide and methylene blue. What else is there? 2 bottles of manganese. There is it's like a dropper. You just suck water and put it here. 2 splinters, 2 spoon, 2. Yeah, I'll get all the stuff, and we shall start in a minute. So we've got our stuff, our blue, lactose, our calcium hydroxide, warm water, spoon, and a beaker with the funnel. I've also put a sticker that is thermal detective so that since it's warm, it'll immediately rise. Watch this. As you can see, this has just changed color. I removed the dropper thing since it told us to put the whole bottle. So let's eat. That's it. We'll just put that there. What else do we need? 5 drops of methylene blue,
which is food.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will just that.
Yeah.
Now what do we need? 2 small spoons. That's the big spoon. Can you turn that around? No, as in that is the small spoon. This is 2. We might split. Whoa.
Easy there. This is no liquid. My turn.
Okay. Now we take this out. I'm just gonna put it here. And we put on a cork. Thank you. And mix the solution.
With our hands, I guess.
Okay, it is warm. Anyway. Now it says let it sit for 1 to 6 minutes depending on, until it turns white. So we'll let it sit. Camera, let's roll this footage. So as you can see, it took around 4 minutes and it's like quite clear. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but yeah, it's clear. So basically sometimes there is something where a particle donates. So in the universe of the microscopic, there is something where a particle donates its electrons to another particle. In this case, lactose would donate to methylene blue. But because we added calcium hydroxide, it started to react with the blue and caused it to use up the oxygen. All of us know that fish breathe in water, and we can conclude that, and of course, obviously, oxygen is inside water. Because of our 3 little chemicals, it caused it to be clear. So, and since the water, the oxygen inside the water is used up, yes, it won't turn blue, but there is still oxygen inside of the air, the space. So by what the experiment tells us, if we were to shake this, all of this would mix. Now the reason this doesn't turn blue is because this cork here, it's stopping the supply of oxygen from pushing the oxygen in here into the water, so it can't really dissolve as fast. Let us see if we shake it.
Oh my gosh, it turned blue.
Look at that dark blue, man. Just look at that. Beautiful.
But Arjun, what happens when we shake it?
You're wondering, why did this turn blue? So, lactose can donate to anything. Now it needs to donate to oxygen. So you're wondering, why can't it just donate right now and just turn blue before shaking? You see, that doesn't just work like that. It can't directly do it, which is why it needs an assistant. This, methylene blue. So lactose will give electrons to methylene blue, which will give to oxygen, turning it blue. So let's just give it a shake to maintain its blue. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please like,
subscribe, hit the bell, and share. And most importantly, do a lot of subscribers. Smack the like button like your mom smacked your face.